Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to apply for Tomo Credit Card with absolutely no fees. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to Tomo Credit Card website. You can also download their official app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're there, look for the Apply Now button. It's usually front in and center of on the homepage. Click that and you will be guided through their quick application process. You will need some basic info handling like your social security number, annual income, and contact details. Tomo doesn't go do a hard check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. They focus mainly on your banking history and a cash flow. After you submit your application, you will often get a discussion within a minute. If approved, your virtual card will be available almost instantly through the app, so you can start using it right away. And that's it. No annual fees, no APR, and no hidden charges. Super simple. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Tomo or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.